Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ahad. My mother is Natika level 2.
Seems to be the problem.
Well, I have a bad cold and so this also have an health.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About the guys now and I'm fairly too.
It sounds like you got the flu. Take aspirin every 4 hours and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fluid. Tell me if you still sick next week.
Okay, thanks. What seems to be problem?
Well, I have a bad throat and a sore throat, and I also have a headache.
How long have you had welcome?
About 3 days now, and I'm really tired.
It sounds like you good time is very calm. On and get plenty of the next sure you drink lot of full me. You say sleep next week.
Okay, thanks.